Hey there, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and I have another attractive renovation for you for sale on 1502 John Owen Road in White Oak, North Carolina. Convenient to Fayetteville and Fort Bragg. And for more information on this or any property for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. It's the number 4. Or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. And this property sits on a little over 4 acres at the end of a dead-end road. So you've got some good privacy, country living. It's really quiet out here. And we'll take a closer look. Brand new deck on the front and the back. Vinyl siding. This was built in 2016. A little over 2,000 square feet. All brand new flooring, fixtures, and appliances as well. And this is the living room. And there's blinds and fans throughout the house. And this is the kitchen, with a kitchen island and breakfast bar. New stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinet and counter space. And here's a closer look. And there's the dining room. And laundry room with a door to the outside. And here's the backyard. And another view of about 4 acres here. I would imagine there's some good hunting here and possibly some fishing as well. This is a very pretty laminate floor here. And on this side, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Here's the first bedroom. And the first full bathroom. Second bedroom. Here's the third one. And on the other side is the owner's suite. So a total of 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. And here's the bathroom. With a jetted tub. There's the vanity with 2 sinks. And the shower with seats in it. That's convenient. And thanks so much for watching the video. You can call me 910-723-8888 for your own private tour of this or any home for sale in town. You can also contact me to have your property listed for sale on my channel. And check back soon for more videos of homes for sale. Thanks for watching the tour.